The turnout has been amazing. It is day two. A lot of workshop owners, mechanics, apprentices, the best suppliers, distributors, all under the one roof.
All the best brands I expected to see here are here, and then a bunch of new ones. It's a really big, important deal to come to training. Technology changes faster than you could ever imagine.
Staying up on technology, knowing what's coming down the rail for you guys is incredibly important, and training is where that's at.
There's robots walking around. Everything that you could possibly imagine and more is here.
Every single stage of painting a car, every sanding disc, PPE, I could go on forever.
This event is excellent, particularly for the uni students who are deciding, is this industry for me? They see the amount of innovation, the international brands, a lot of things happening that they can really sink their teeth into. So it's just important that you're up to speed with what's happening, and that's why it's worth making the effort to get to Melbourne.